good news and bad news today. I was working on finalizing design because my deadline is this Friday to get the extrude sent off. I took my truck in. Apparently both my turbos are going out. I have an oil leak. I have my timing belt covered. Anyway, they have to pull the cab off my frame to be able to replace the turbos and do all the work, which means I have to take my topper off. Kind of a bummer because it interrupted my day, and I had to jerry rig a system real fast to not lose my spot in line at the auto repair center. So please note, if you ordered a camper, this is not how we're installing campers. This is at my house. Okay, this is like just a jerry rig system that is probably very dangerous. So don't comment on how bad it is. I'm just trying to get back to work. That's the whole point here, okay? But I wanted to show you, this is a potential way, maybe you can call it like the DIY, don't do it yourself at home, because who knows what could go wrong here. But I'm getting my camper off my truck because I don't have anyone to help me. Bolted this to my carport. It's a little $60 motor from Harbor Freight, hooked up to my 12-volt battery, which has snow all over it. It's not good. That can short out between the two. Didn't see that. Anyway, let's see what happens. I'm actually gonna step off to the side a little bit in case that cable snaps or does something weird. I think we are loose. All right, we are free off the back of the truck. I'm gonna go ahead and pull forward and lower this thing down to the ground. God, I don't want to go underneath that. That is so sketchy. This is so sketchy. Y'all can comment on how dangerous and sketchy this is. Nobody's going underneath that. Open up the rear. Look at that, it's off. There we go. I can't wait till we have a facility. All right, let's get my truck to the shop. Good? Yeah. That's it. All right, so for those of you all that are interested in a DIY solution, this worked. Not sure how safe it was, felt kind of sketchy. So we're not recommending this yet until there's lots of testing done, but here's an option for you.